this is a tornado warning. With that being said, I am going to advise you that you should be taking shelter right now. If you want to look for the red striations, so the red lines pretty much right over Douglas County. Look at that, about a little bit more than 6 inches there. It actually looks like it's going to be on the good side.
Except my weekend, which is Wednesday, Thursday. So
as always.
Always.
I think you have a little rain cloud following you everywhere. Severe thunderstorm warning that was in Marion County, northern Arkansas, has just expired, but still some heavy rain out there near Mountain Home as well as Yellville. Will move northeast, and you can see a lot of heavy rain right over the West Plains area. And on that morning commute, give yourself some extra time. We are dealing with some fog out there. Here's a live look outside our Springfield sky camera. Plus, we're all dealing with beautiful blue skies out there, and people are enjoying the nice conditions. Some people have been out playing a few rounds of golf this afternoon. I've been watching on the sky camera, but the rest of the evening for the next couple of hours, perfect if you want to go kayaking. And we're going to have an upper level ridge build right overhead, and when that happens, we're going to see a boost in temperature. So we're going to get a little bit more of that warmer air move in with that flow out of the southwest. We also have this excessive heat warning off to the north in those pink highlighted counties, and that will continue through Saturday. And this is what it feels like outside already. It feels like it's 96 degrees at Nevada and 97 at Lamar.
I can't remember last summer being this hot, but I guess it's all relative, right?
Just have to, you know, enjoy the sunshine, enjoy the warmth responsibly. You know, earlier in the day, later on in the evening. I'm telling you, with that direct sunlight on your skin, it hurts. Tornadoes can occur here at any time of the year. On average, every year, there are 47 tornadoes in Missouri. We'll bring back the chance of rain Wednesday night and into Thursday. So what we're going to have on Thursday is going to have this cold front start to move in, and it'll produce a few scattered showers and thunderstorms. Nothing looks widespread by any means, but that very same front will eventually stall over the area on Saturday. And as it stalls over the area, we're going to see a few more impulses of energy move through the region, which will trigger more scattered showers and thunderstorms, mainly for Saturday, but certainly we'll have some lingering showers and thunderstorms for Sunday morning.
We're going to weather now, and listen to this person, please, because tomorrow afternoon and into the evening and into the night could set up to be
it does not
serious
look good.
Situation. Exactly.
It does not look good for tomorrow afternoon. Okay. Tomorrow's the day you want to. I know there's a lot of things going on. You want to have fun, but you want to stay peeled to your cell phone. Make sure you have weather apps. You can get those alerts and notifications. You will need it.
Make a plan.
That's right. Right now, though, we're quiet. Later on tonight, though, we could see a few isolated storms developing across the southern part of the state, northern Arkansas, and southern part of Missouri. Now, some of those would be isolated to scattered about. It doesn't look like it'll be widespread by any means, but there's still enough energy out there that around midnight, some of these could produce some large hail, gusty winds. Overall, though, it doesn't look like a huge or widespread event by any means for tonight. Tomorrow morning, we start off fine. Actually, we continue with the cloud cover. This is 8 o'clock in the morning. You can see things pretty quiet outside. Things start to ramp up as we get into the afternoon. This is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Notice how some of those storms start to move in across our northwestern and northern counties. As we go throughout the rest of the afternoon, we'll continue to see that activity move east. This is about 5 o'clock in the afternoon as that wave kind of moves off to the eastern Ozarks, but we have another wave that moves in after that. This is about 8 o'clock to about 10 o'clock tomorrow night as this line moves into the Ozarks, and that pretty much will be widespread as it slowly moves across the Ozarks. Initially, we'll start to see some large hail with these, as well as some strong gusty, damaging winds, in fact, up to about 70 miles per hour or more. This is midnight, as some of that will kind of end up tapering off through about 3 o'clock in the morning. I think that by Sunday morning, we'll just be left with some showers and a few rumbles of thunder here and there. Overall, by that point in time, the severity will pretty much be over and done with. Again, the timeline, mainly 4 o'clock to about 11 o'clock tomorrow night. That's the time that you want to stay weather aware. So that threat track for tomorrow is out of 4 for the entire Ozarks. We did up that. With that being said, the severe impact meter for tomorrow has has wind pretty much near at high, as well as hail. Again, large hail, pretty much baseball size hail, likely with these storms because of the amount of energy that we will have available for these storms. We've also upped the tornadic risk up to medium, because we're starting to see a strong southeasterly flow, which could enhance rotation. So we're not out of the woods with that either. If you're worried about the rain or flooding, we're on the low end of the spectrum. About half of an inch to about an inch possible with this. It's not really going to be an overall rain event by any means. So the rest of your weekend, though, looks a little bit better. Some showers for Sunday morning. Memorial Day actually looks really nice. But again, the biggest day tomorrow afternoon with those severe storms. Right now, cloudy conditions out there, and those temperatures in the low 80s, the upper 70s, 82 here at Springfield, 85 at Joplin. Tonight, 66. A few storms could be possible, which could produce some large hail. Tomorrow, 85. Again, I'm telling you, that timeline is from 4 until about 11 o'clock tomorrow night. So that's the day, that's the time frame. I would stay glued to your cell phone.
All right, you've given us the warning. The rest is up to us. But
That's right.
Pay attention tomorrow afternoon, evening.
That's right.
Jennifer Perez, thank you so much.
Meteorologist Jennifer Perez.
We've been talking about it for days now, but the dangerous heat begins today. With that being said, we do have heat advisory. That's the orange for most of the Ozarks now, and this will go all the way through the rest of this evening to about 7 o'clock this evening. We do have an excessive heat warning for the pink highlighted counties. Now, again, we will continue to see these warnings be issued every single day through Saturday because of this heat wave that we're dealing with. So talking about that, future heat index temperatures for this afternoon will be in the upper 90s to right around 100 degrees, certainly across those northern counties. This is what it will feel like this afternoon, and these values will climb a few degrees more as we go into tomorrow afternoon and into Friday. This is what it will look like for tomorrow afternoon, as most areas will be right around 100 to about the mid 105s, pushing up to about 110 across those northern counties tomorrow afternoon. And this heat it will continue as we go into Friday and into Saturday. Okay, so this is some serious situation. Talking about temperatures, though, today will be a few degrees and warmer than what it was yesterday, as we'll be reaching right around 95 most of the afternoon in those 90s, and we'll see those temperatures get a little bit warmer as we go into Thursday, Friday, and into Saturday. Upper 90s, well above the normal for this time of year. Here's the setup: dome of hot air pretty much in place. It will continue to expand as we go into tomorrow and into Friday, which is why we'll also see those temperatures bump up to the upper 90s for the later part of this week. For right now, we're already in those upper 80s. It's 87 at Harrison. We're at 88 here. 90 already at Joplin, and it's beautiful outside. Really, if you're inside and you're looking out, you really can't tell how hot it is out there. It's gorgeous, but just hot. It'll be even hotter this afternoon. High of about 95, hot and muggy. Those winds will be at a south-southwest. Tonight will stay fairly warm as we go into the overnight, right around 73 for our overnight low. And then over the next couple of days, again, high temperatures, upper 90s, 97 for Friday as well as Saturday. The relief comes Sunday, when we will be a few degrees cooler. We will have a cold front move in, and that will start to bring in some showers late Sunday afternoon, scattered about, becoming more widespread as we go into Monday and into Tuesday. Now, if you're wondering if this is normal or not normal, well, I'm telling you, high temperatures for this time of year is supposed to be at 88 degrees, and you can see that we will be about 5 to 10 degrees above the normal as we end this week. Yeah.
All right, thank you.